Why is it that some people, while being financially ready to invest in real estate, can never seem to pull the trigger? Over and over, they watch as properties become more expensive and the best deals are sold. That's because they haven't taken the time to break their mental barriers. So how do you make yourself mentally ready when the right property comes along? I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal! The first thing you should do is to know what you want and be as specific as possible. You can look at all the great property choices you want, but if you don't know what you're looking for, I tell you, you're never going to find it. If the property is for your personal use, ask yourself these questions. Where do I see myself living? What type of neighborhood? And how much space do I need? What do I want to see when I look out that window? If it's for investment, ask yourself, what do I want to get out of this? What do I prioritize? Short-term or long-term rewards? What type of tenants do I want to deal with? The more specific you are, the higher chance that you will find the one property. But truth be told, there are some people who finally found that elusive property that checks all their boxes. But they still don't go for it. Ito yung sinasabi nating nagkaka-cold feet. Why? Because we are hardwired to have a negative bias. That is, we always highlight and hyperinflate the risks more than the rewards of investing. But there is a way to avoid this, which brings me to my next tip. Second, build your knowledge. And the best way to do that is to hit that subscribe button to learn how to invest safely and smartly in real estate. Most of the time, our fear comes from uncertainties, from the unknown. Therefore, acquiring knowledge is the most effective way to eliminate your fears and negative biases. It's not enough that you know all the risks. The more important thing is you learn how to protect yourself against these risks. And at the same time, you also understand the rewards of investing in real estate and learn how to maximize it. Watching videos, reading books and news, and listening to podcasts about real estate investing should take more of your time instead of jumping into bargain hunting. Believe me, if your foundation is weak, you will never have the courage to see and take advantage of what is already in front of you. Third, associate yourself with people who have already made it in real estate. Investing in real estate, especially for the first time, can be very scary. But if you surround yourself with those who have already gained the wisdom from their own experiences, this goes a long way to give you that extra boost of confidence. Whether it's your parents, relatives, friends, or real estate professionals, you can surely gain valuable insights from their experiences. By learning from the experiences of others, you can quickly identify where to put your focus and where you should invest. If you want to know which locations and developments have high growth potential, schedule a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Last, but definitely not the least, my tip is to just do it. If you've done your research and there's a strong, clear reason why you're buying a property in the first place, then you just gotta do it. Remember, people regret the things they don't do and not the things they do. I get it. In the heat of the moment, we always think that making a mistake due to the actions we take are harder to swallow than making a mistake due to not taking any action, even if the impact of the latter is more certain. But I've heard it year in and year out. Sana nag-invest na ako dati. Mas mahal na ngayon. And in all my years, I've never heard anyone say the opposite. Because when you take the plunge and invest in your first property, you are one step closer to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to invest in real estate? Let me help you get the property that best suits your goals and maximizes your earning potential. I am affiliated with the most reputable and trusted developers, offering a wide range of affordable to luxury residential developments in Metro Manila and adjacent emerging cities. So sign up now for a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.